Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video and a card share video. It's National or World Card Making Day 2022, so thought I'd make a couple of cards today, so I wanted to share them with you with a couple of items I purchased. So first up, I have the Spellbinders die sets that I purchased. There's a local craft fair that I went to last week, and I was able to get these for real inexpensive price. They were actually just asking for donations because it was a fundraiser for this particular booth. And I got this Spellbinders 5x7 Mystical Embrace, and this one comes with 3 dies. And then I got the Spellbinders Heirloom Oval, and this one has 4 dies. And then the Spellbinders Heirloom Rectangle. And this one has 4 dies also. So I made a couple of cards using 2 of these dies, so I thought I'd share them with you. So the first one, it's a Halloween card, and it's a little different. It's not spooky or anything. It's kind of low-key. I used an Anna Griffin sentiment, and then this is the die set from Spellbinders called the Mystical Embrace, and this was the largest one. And I used some florals that I purchased from Anna Griffin also, and then I put these Nouveau drops on here just to add a little bit of color. The paper in the back is from Anna Griffin, and it's her I don't know the name of it, but it has different color sheets in it, and I really enjoy it. So that's the first card. And then the second card is one that I use the Heirloom Rectangle die set in. And here's this card too. Once again, super simple, not spooky, kind of maybe a fall Halloween card. And I also use the sentiments from Anna Griffin as well as the ephemera. And then I use some Nouveau drops, the same color there. And this one says, "By the moon we gather here to celebrate this time of year. Happy Halloween." So I thought these turned out really pretty. So these are my first Halloween cards of this year. I have many more to go, so I really need to start cracking and getting those made. Also wanted to share with you another card I made today, and this is with the Strawberry Milkshake collection from Frank Garcia, and it's just super simple card. This is the paper from the collection, and then a little butterfly. I purchased this, the paper pad, the 6x8 paper pad, and some of the ephemera, and I'm really not digging it that much. So anyway, I went ahead and made a card just to see how much I liked it. And like I said, I'm just not head over heels for this set. But anyway, here's a card I made. And then next up was the September die kit of the month by Spellbinders. It's the large die of the month, and this was Thankful Tractor. And so I'm a little late because I probably will be getting the next die of the month pretty soon for October. And this one was a little tractor, and it has 22 dies in it, so a lot of die cutting involved in it, but the tractor came out super sweet. So let me share you the card that I made. Here it is, and it looks really good on a slimline card. So I made the tractor purple just for whatever reason, and then it has the little basket or the wagon, and then it has the different veggies you can put in here. I chose the pumpkin and the gourd. It has little flowers also, but this was super fun to put together. Like I said, it has 22 pieces total for the die set, but they're for the flower and the veggies and the truck and then the wagon. And then it has this little sentiment that you can cut out that says Happy Fall. It does have another sentiment in it here. If you can see it, it says Thankful. So I just chose the Happy Fall one. but I thought it turned out really cute. So let me know what you think, if the tractor card or the card from Strawberry Milkshake, or my first Halloween cards of the season. Let me know which one is your favorite. And like I said, I just wanted to come on real quick, make some cards today because it is World Card Making Day. So hopefully you've made some wonderful cards that you'll be sharing either today or tomorrow or next week. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.